Hi guys, this is another edition of the mathematics questions that I want us solve together and get the answer. The question says solve the equation log base 3 parenthesis open 4x plus 1 equals minus the log of 3 parenthesis open 3x minus 5 equals is equal to 2. The question reads again, solve the equation log 3 parenthesis open 4x plus 1 equals minus log base 3 parenthesis open 3x minus 5 equals is equal to 2. This question is a logarithm question that we are about to solve. And in solving logarithm problem, there are so many rules that when you know in logarithm, you will definitely solve any logarithm problem. And the rules are when you see a multiplication in logarithm, to solve that particular multiplication problem or to solve that particular multiplication logarithm, you change that particular multiplication to addition. And also when you see addition, you change that particular addition to a multiplication, which is just vice versa. Also when you see a subtraction, you remove the subtraction sign and use what division sign. And also when you see division, you change the division sign to a subtraction sign. And looking at this particular equation, we have log base 3 parenthesis open 4x plus 1 equals 6 minus log base 3 parenthesis open 3x minus 5 equals 6. Looking at this particular two equation here, the operation sign between them is what? Minus. So we'll use the law that says when we see subtraction sign between a log and two log, we also use what? Division sign. So here now for the solution here, we'll say solution. We'll say the log of 3 parenthesis open 4x plus 1 equals 6 minus the log of base 3 parenthesis open 3x minus 5 equals 6 is equal to 2. This is the question that was given to us. Because of this particular negative and the rule of logarithm say anytime we see log or minus between two equations, we should use what? Division. So we'll take, because of the bases are the same with log 3 and that's log 3, we use one of the log, which is log 3 bracket open 4x plus 1. Here we would make this particular equation to be a division or a simple fraction, because here the operation sign is minus. So we say 4x plus 3 all over 3x minus 5 bracket close is equal to. So here the base of this particular law is 3, and we have another constant across the equal sign, which is 2. So the base here will come here, which is 3, and the particular constant, which is the 2 here, will serve as the power of the base of the log, which was 3. So we have 3 raised to the second power. Therefore, to solve this, we say the log. Now when we carry the particular equation down, we'll remove the log. So we say bracket open 4x plus 1 or 3x minus 5 bracket close is equal to, here we have 3 square, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. Therefore, this is a simple mathematics. This particular 9 have the denominator of 1. So therefore we say 4x plus 1 all over 3x minus 5 is equal to 9 all over 1. Therefore, we cross multiply. We multiply this 4x plus 1 with this particular 1 and also multiply 3x minus 5 by 9. So we say 4x plus 1 multiplied by this 1 will give us the same 4x. Any number multiply or anything multiplied by 1 is equal to that particular number. So we say is equal to multiply this 9 by this 3x minus 5. So we say 9 parenthesis open 3x minus 5. So we say 4x plus 1 is equal to 9 times this particular 3x give us 27x. 9 times minus 5 give us minus 45. Therefore we collect our like terms. We say Here we have this, so we send those with x, we send it one side, those value without x, we send it one side. So we have 1 here, which is positive. So when we send this particular negative 45 now across the equal sign, it will be positive 45 here. So we have 27x here, and we send this particular 4x to the 27x. So this is positive positive 4x. When we send it across this equal sign, it becomes now negative 4x. So now we have 1 plus 45 give us 46 is equal to 27x minus 4. It gives us 23x. Therefore, to solve for x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of the x, which is 23. Both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the x, which is 23. Therefore, we say 23 cancel 23. We say 46 divided by 23. It gives us 2 is equal to x. Therefore, the value of the x is equal to 2. Thank you, guys. You can share, you can like, and also follow. Thank you.